What if I told you there is one sports car that has survived decades of competition, outperformed rivals worth twice its price, and still dominates hearts in America, Canada, and Australia? This isn't just a car. This is heritage on wheels. This is engineering perfection wrapped in red metallic fire. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Porsche 911 in red metallic paint. A machine that doesn't chase trends, it creates legends. Stay with me till the end, because today we're breaking down everything. From its iconic design, interior craftsmanship, engine performance, real-world driving experience, and why the Porsche 911 remains the ultimate sports car choice in 2025 for enthusiasts across the USA, Canada, and Australia, India. The Porsche 911 is instantly recognizable from a mile away. No sharp gimmicks, no unnecessary drama, just pure evolution of a perfect form. Finished in red metallic paint, this 911 becomes a rolling statement of confidence. Under sunlight, the paint glows with depth and richness, shifting shades as the car moves. Deep crimson in shadows, fiery scarlet under open skies. Key exterior highlights: iconic round LED headlights, smooth sloping roofline flowing into the rear. Wide stance with muscular rear haunches, precision panel gaps reflecting German engineering. In markets like the USA and Australia, where sports cars often scream for attention, the Porsche 911 speaks with controlled authority. It doesn't need to shout, it commands respect. From the front, the Porsche 911 balances sportiness and sophistication. The low nose improves aerodynamics while housing large air intakes for engine cooling. Active aerodynamic elements. Sharp LED daytime running lights. This front design isn't just about looks. It's optimized for high-speed stability, especially important for American highways, Canadian expressways, and Australian open roads. At speeds above 150 miles per hour, the front end remains planted, something few rivals can claim. The side view is where Porsche tradition shines. That signature silhouette, unchanged in spirit since the 1960s, instantly tells you this is a 911. Frameless doors, smooth shoulder line, perfect wheel-to-body proportions, large alloy wheels wrapped in performance tires. The red metallic finish enhances every curve, reflecting light differently across the doors, fenders, and side skirts. It's not flashy, it's refined aggression. In countries like Canada, where driving seasons change, the 911's balanced proportions also help in real-world usability. The rear of the Porsche 911 is unmistakable and unforgettable. Full-width LED light bar, sculpted rear bumper, center-mounted or quad exhaust tips, active rear spoiler for downforce. That wide rear stance isn't just for show. It supports the legendary rear engine layout, which gives the 911 incredible traction and acceleration. When the red metallic paint meets the glowing LED taillights at night, the result is nothing short of automotive art. Step inside, and you immediately understand why the Porsche 911 appeals to luxury buyers in the USA, Canada, and Australia. This is not over-designed. This is purpose-built elegance. Interior highlights: premium leather upholstery, sport bucket seats with memory function, minimalist dashboard inspired by classic 911s, high-resolution digital instrument cluster, advanced infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driving position is low, intimate, and commanding. Everything, steering wheel, pedals, gear selector, is positioned for maximum driver engagement. Unlike some supercars, the Porsche 911 interior is daily drivable luxury, perfect for city cruising in Los Angeles, Toronto, or Sydney. Now let's talk about what truly matters. Under the rear hood lies a flat-six engine, turbocharged to deliver explosive performance while maintaining balance and reliability. Performance figures approximate. Power: 379 to 443 horsepower, depending on variant. 0 to 60 miles per hour as low as 3.5 seconds. Transmission 8-speed PDK or manual. This engine doesn't just accelerate, it communicates. You feel every rev, every shift, every ounce of torque. For enthusiasts in Australia's long highways or USA's performance culture, the Porsche 911 offers supercar speed with sports car control. What separates the Porsche 911 from Ferrari or Lamborghini? Usability: smooth ride in comfort mode, razor-sharp handling in Sport Plus, exceptional steering feedback, outstanding braking performance. Whether you're navigating mountain roads in Canada, coastal highways in California, or open stretches in Australia, the 911 adapts to your driving style. This is a car you can drive every day, not just on weekends. The Porsche 911 isn't just fast, it's smart. Safety features: adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, collision warning, advanced traction management, stability control systems tuned for performance. This makes it a trusted sports car choice for North American and Australian markets, where safety standards are high. Across the USA, Canada, and Australia, the Porsche 911 is known for strong resale value, legendary reliability, timeless design, massive enthusiast community. This isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in driving pleasure. Red metallic isn't just a color, it's emotion. Symbolizes speed and passion, enhances curves and reflections, photographs beautifully for social media, turns heads without being excessive. For content creators, collectors, and enthusiasts, a red metallic Porsche 911 is pure visual gold. The Porsche 911 doesn't try to be the loudest. It doesn't need outrageous wings or unnecessary drama. It wins with balance, precision, and heritage. In red metallic paint, it becomes more than a car. It becomes a moving legacy, respected across America, Canada, and Australia. If you believe driving should still feel emotional, if you believe performance should come with purpose, then the Porsche 911 isn't just an option, it's the answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because more legendary machines are coming next.